In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on Google Sites. Whether you're working with a team that speaks a different language or simply prefer using Google Sites in a language other than the default, adjusting the language setting is a quick process, and we'll walk you through each step needed to make this adjustment smoothly and effectively. Let's start by getting to the main platform where all of this will happen. Google Sites. First, you'll want to navigate to the Google Sites webpage. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. After typing in your email, click Next. Following that, you'll be asked to enter your password. Upon entering your password, click the Sign In button to access your Google Sites dashboard. Now that you're signed in, look towards the top right of the page again, but this time for your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo is your gateway to more settings and personalization options. After clicking on your profile photo, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Manage Your Google Account. This will take you to a different interface where Google consolidates all account settings and preferences. Within your Google account settings, there are several options listed on the left side. Here you want to focus on finding the Personal Info tab. Click on it to proceed to the next step, where you can control and adjust various personal information, including the language setting. Upon accessing Personal Info, look for the Language option, which you will find among other editable pieces of personal information. Click on Language to open the Language Preferences settings. Now in the language settings, you'll notice there's a pen icon or an edit option next to your current language. Click on this to begin modifying your language preferences. Here's the exciting part: adding a new language. You will see an option labelled Add Language. Click on it and a list of languages will appear. This is your opportunity to scroll through and select the desired language you wish to use on Google Sites. After choosing the new language, the final step is simply to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually visible at the bottom or top right corner of the page. Clicking Save will apply the changes to your account settings. And there you have it. Just like that, you've successfully changed the language on Google Sites. It's worth mentioning that this change will not only affect Google Sites, but also other Google services linked to your account, providing a seamless experience across Google's ecosystem in your chosen language. Remember, you can always go back and tweak these settings if you ever need to switch languages again, whether for personal preference, accessibility needs, or collaborating with a global team. I hope this video was helpful in guiding you through the process of adjusting the language setting on Google Sites. Changing your language setting is a superb way to make sure that you're comfortable and efficient while navigating Google Sites. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.